I'm here in Bedingen, Germany, to witness one of the classic record attempts, without which no series of Officially Amazing would be complete.
For this next record, what you need is someone with a steady hand. So, not someone like me. Meet Patrick Sinner, a 17-year-old with patience, stamina, and the nimble-fingered dexterity of a domino-toppling king. He's already a double Guinness World Record holder for most dominoes toppled in a 3D pyramid and the longest domino wall, which was an incredible 30 metres long. But that isn't enough for Patrick. Today, he and his team are after 2 more domino records. All these displays may look separate, but one domino will set them all off. Hopefully.
Patrick, I am overawed. This is incredible, and you've masterminded this whole thing, right? So can you talk me through it?
Yes, we built up 275,000 dominoes in 8 days with 12 builders.
Wow. So not only have you got this vast tipping display that surrounds us right now, but within that, there's 2 world records. Am I right?
Yes, we built up the largest domino spiral and the largest amount of mini dominoes.
Okay, well, I think it's high time to check them out.
These guys are domino crazy. Had Patrick built all of this on his own, it would have taken him 3 months, working full-time with no days off. That's a lot of effort. The centerpiece of this incredible domino-filled room is this big blue beauty. Later, we'll see if it can be used to break the world record for most dominoes toppled in a spiral. There are 55,555 dominoes in there just waiting to fall over. But we're starting off on a much smaller scale today with mini dominoes.
This is today's first record attempt. It looks amazing. How difficult are these dominoes to lay?
The dominoes are so small that they can topple at any minute.
Wow, so just someone walking past could set them all off.
That's right.
So, have you had any disasters so far?
Yesterday, all dominoes toppled.
All the dominoes?
All dominoes, yes.
Wow.
Patrick's not joking. Yesterday's domino disaster was caused by this guy when he put his pen down. Whoops! That's how small and sensitive these wee fellas are. Thankfully, they've rebuilt in time for today's attempt.
I know it sounds obvious, but these mini dominoes really are tiny. They're such a minute percentage of a regular-sized domino.
That's right. The little dominoes are harder and fiddlier to put up. And of course, because they're lighter, they're much more at risk of being accidentally blown over.
Here are the rules for the most mini dominoes toppled. Mini dominoes have a maximum length of 1 centimetre. That's smaller than the width of a stamp. After the first domino is toppled, no others can be touched.
It's the moment of truth. Somehow Patrick has agreed to let me start this whole thing off. Patrick, are you ready?
Yes, let's start.
The record stands at 1,585. Patrick's team have painstakingly set up 2,000 of these little fellas, so if they all topple, it should be a world record. We've all taken our shoes off because any vibration could spell disaster.
3, 2, 1.
Look at them go! Small but perfectly formed and perfectly falling. We're over halfway. No one sneeze. If they all fall, Patrick's beaten the record by over 400 mini dominoes.
Yes! Look at that! Look at that!
It's just unbelievable. It's great.
They look like they all tumbled. How did it look to you?
It is a new Guinness World Records title.
Fantastic!
2,000 mini dominoes successfully toppled.
I've not even had lunch yet. We're already 1 record down. Who knows where we'll be by dinner time?
Subscribe to Isaac King videos.